Okay, real quick tip for you mechanics out there. You're home alone and you're trying to raise the idle. Sorry, my wife's car dirty. Haven't cleaned it since winter. Anyway, you're trying to raise the idle on a car. You need to keep it up at a certain RPM to watch it and or put like seafoam treatment in the intake or whatever. Just get anything long, put it between the seat and the fuel and the gas pedal, and just gonna use the power seat. And I want to bring it up to about 2,000 RPM. 2,500, back it off a little bit. It'll take you a few seconds to get it right, but I want it around 1,500 to 2,000. And there we go. Thanks for watching.